Good afternoon, y'all. I'm out here by the causeway, Pascagoula. I don't know if you can see these birds. I'm trying to clean this lens. Okay. Anyway, birds working right there. Alright. Right across from Ingles. Using a topwater Yazuri plug. I'm catching these under the birds. Can't use anything else but top water. Every time I throw a popping cork or a jig, sailcat grabs it. Got to use top water. Sun is real high and it's bright, but they don't care. I know I'm not supposed to tell everybody where the fish are, but that's somebody else's rule. That's not my rule. Y'all have a good day. Good luck.